Water's pretty clear. Hit it. Toss it to the corner right there. All the way to the, as close as you can. Over there to the corner. Now spin it. Now jig it too. Got one? Got one.
Actually, a nice fish.
Yeah, it's a good size. See you later, buddy. There it goes. Hey,
Fish long.
see you later, little buddy.
Tiny.
With a tiny lure. There it goes. Got another one? Nice. Good job, Aiden. I know, but it's a lot smaller though.
Hold it by the mouth.
No, you can hold it by the fence, but you make sure you grab it though. Number 2 for Aiden. See you later, little guy. There he goes. Another one. Good job. Now,
Same fish. I want to do different.